What we're doing here is installing an emergency earthquake gas shutoff valve for our homeowner here in Pleasant Hill. We have to shut off the gas line to the house, disconnect the meter, remove the service T. The firefighter installed. All there's left to do is to tighten the fittings, make sure that your valve, your earthquake emergency shutoff valve is straight up and down and horizontal, nice and plumb. You see it straightening out there. And now we're ready to connect the meter. The valve is installed and the meter is reconnected. You have to make sure to reset the trip on it. And you can tell if it's reset because there's a red and green indicator here, and then you'll hear an audible sound of it resetting. And there it is with the green light. You're ready to go. You turn on the you're going to turn the meter back on, get gas to the house, and don't forget to light the pilot. All the standing pilots in the house need to be relit because the gas was shut off. And that's it. Earthquake emergency shutoff valve. Remember, when choosing your plumber, fix it once, fix it right, and fix it with finesse. Thanks for watching.